Hello everyone and Merry Christmas! So today we're going outside to find some materials for different terrariums. I want to create like a terrarium for each and every sort of biome. You know, a desert, a natural, a jungle, a swamp. So my next project is going to be a desert. I have these succulent flowers that I got as a Christmas present, an early morning Christmas present. And I'm thinking of buying a small cactus to just plant inside of that that terrarium too. So that's the plan. So now we're going outside to get different materials that I think I can use. So let's go. Taking this hat was a bad idea. It's so cold. So this piece of wood looks really amazing, and I have cleaned it out, and there was tons of spiders and small isopods that I added to my eternal terrarium. And yeah, we're gonna use it for something cool. So I was digging for insects. I also found like this amazing little cute plant, and I was like, yeah, I gotta have this. So my bag is actually quite heavy right now, so I'm gonna return home, and I'm gonna show you what I found. Let's go. When I was just like 12 years old, I placed a giant log here, okay? And we used to enter through here. Now there's a lot of shit. There's a lot of stuff here, as you can see. I'm getting Anyway, here we are. Now, oh, what's this? A pen? Under this. This was placed actually for us to find insects when we were younger. So let's see if we had any success yet. Well, there is, I don't know if you can see it, but there is isopods running down. There's an isopod right there. In the middle of the camera right now, that's an isopod. There's an isopod right here. So I'm inside, and yeah, this is basically what I found. It's a lot of stuff, so we are going to organize. Yay! Even though my room look like... no, I'm not gonna show it. So let's do this. So basically what I'm doing right here is I'm just placing the moss inside of a container. I later add some soil to it, so you don't have to worry about the moss, guys. And I also put leaves inside of a jar. That's just to dry them out, and I can use the water later in a new ecosphere. So sorry for not updating you, my battery died, but I have done this. Put some of the moss in water. I have cleaned almost everything. I put, you know, the leaves in that container over there. I put more moss in my Exoterra, and I put, oh yeah, I can show you what I did in my terrarium. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Okay, so in the terrarium I took the stone I found, so now it looks even. Let's this. Let's see how it looks, how it's supposed to look. So there we go. So I put that little plant, the green plant, I put it inside, and this big stone, I'm thinking of placing some moss here. That would be nice. And also, I did see a small little spider somewhere here. So this actually has life, even though I haven't even introduced anything yet. Well, except for the plants. So he must have joined with the plants. Great for him. Yeah. But I just like the look of this. I mean,